Welcome to video number 2. Now we have the proper surface mount and base established. Now it's time to talk about putting in the proper ADA compliant recess kit. Brett, we got to cut a hole in this fresh green wall.
Yes, exactly. This is the accelerator recess kit. It is going to allow you to put in an ADA compliant application. It's going to recess your dryer about 3.5 to 4 inches. So if you're in a tight space, this will actually create more space for your walkway, give you a little better flow to your bathroom.
You can't put it in yourself, but we highly recommend you need a skilled technician to do this kind of work.
This is even going to take a more skilled technician than our last application because we are going to be cutting through drywall or, for that matter, solid surface.
Okay, let's get started. Let's bring in our professional technician, Chris, once again.
Perfect. Here, Chris is measuring the cutout location for the recess kit. He's marking straight lines at the proper recommended mounting height and having the cut fall in between wall studs. Using a reciprocating saw, he carefully cuts out a section of the sheetrock. It may be necessary to use different tools depending on the wall material. It never hurts to undercut the rectangular section and then open it up slowly while test fitting the recess kit to ensure a nice fit. A non-live circuit, which has already been wired into the panel, is being routed to the recess kit and secured with an electrical connector. With that wire in place, Chris is sliding the recess kit into the cutout in the wall. It fits nicely in place, where it's not too tight that it cracks the sheetrock and not too loose where it falls out of the wall. The cutout was placed near a stud so that it could be screwed to the recess kit for proper support. Now that the recess kit is in place, the hand dryer is being mounted. This is being done by placing a dryer base plate over the 6 1/4-inch 20-threaded studs. Using a nut driver, the dryer is mounted to the studs with the provided nuts. Again, it's important to have the correct tools, as Chris has a nut driver here to mount the base plate. Chris is now finishing the wiring to the dryer, again by following the wiring schematic located on the dryer. Here Chris is measuring the wires, cutting them to the correct length, making sure he doesn't have too much wire once he puts the cover on. The recess kit has a unique hinging door which allows the dryer to tilt forward for easy mounting access of the cover. 2 tamper-proof screws are removed to hinge the unit forward, and the cover is mounted to the dryer by using 2 tamper-proof screws. The hinge door is being secured in place with 2 tamper-proof screws which were removed to originally lower the door. Power is turned on, and the accelerator installed in the recess kit is ready for use.